Excuse me, sir. Do you need some help?
Oh, yes, please. These bags are very heavy.
Let me carry one for you.
Thank you. That's very kind of you.
It's no problem. Where are you going?
I'm going to my apartment across the street.
I can walk with you.
I would appreciate that.
Did you buy apples?
Yes, they were on sale today.
That's great. Apples are very healthy.
Yes, I like to eat one every day.
That's a good habit.
Thank you for helping me. My hands are not as strong as before.
I understand. My grandfather says the same thing.
You remind me of my grandson.
That's nice to hear.
It's good to see young people helping others.
We should always help when we can.
Here we are. This is my building.
Let me carry the bag to the door.
Thank you again. You made my day.
You're very welcome, sir. Have a nice day.
Good afternoon. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How would you like your haircut today?
I'd like it short on the sides and a little longer on top.
Sure. Just a trim on top.
Yes, not too short.
Got it. Do you want me to use scissors or clippers on the sides?
Clippers are fine.
Okay. I'll get started.
Thank you.
So how has your day been?
It's been good. I just finished work.
That's nice. Busy day?
Yes, very busy. I needed a haircut.
You came at the right time. It's not crowded today.
That's good.
Would you like your beard trimmed too?
Yes, please. Just clean it up a little.
No problem. I'm almost done. Let me show you the back.
It looks great.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you. How much do I owe you?
It's $20.
Here you go. Thanks again.
You're welcome. See you next time.
Oh no, the traffic is so bad today.
I know. We're barely moving.
Look at that sign. It says private parking.
Yeah, we can't park there.
I didn't mean to park. I was just reading the sign.
I'm getting worried. We're going to be late.
What time is the meeting?
It starts at 10 a.m. It's already 9:40.
Maybe the traffic will move soon.
I hope so.
Should we take another road?
I don't think so. All the streets are crowded.
That's true. It's rush hour.
I should have left earlier.
It's okay. Sometimes traffic is unpredictable.
You're right.
Why don't you call your boss and let him know?
That's a good idea.
I can send a message from my phone.
Thanks, I appreciate it.
Don't worry. We'll get there.
I hope the meeting hasn't started yet.
Just stay calm and drive safely.
You're right. Safety first. Good morning, Lisa.
Good morning, Tom. How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you. How about you?
I'm good. I'm going to the office now.
That's nice. Do you work in this building?
Yes, my office is on the 3rd floor. Where are you going?
I'm going to a meeting with a client.
Oh, that sounds important.
Yes, it is. I hope everything goes well.
I'm sure it will. You always work very hard.
Thank you. That means a lot.
Do you come here every day?
Yes, I come here every morning. My company is near this building.
That's convenient. Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. I meet many interesting people.
That's great. I like my job too. I work with a friendly team.
That's wonderful. It's nice to enjoy your work.
Well, I have to go now. My meeting starts soon.
Okay. Have a great day.
You too. Good luck with your meeting.
Thank you. See you later.
Hello. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to our nail salon. How can I help you?
I would like to get my nails done today.
Of course. Would you like a manicure or a manicure and pedicure?
Just a manicure, please.
No problem. Please have a seat here.
Thank you.
What color would you like for your nails?
I'm not sure. Do you have any suggestions?
Yes. Many customers like light pink or red.
I think I will choose light pink.
That's a very nice choice.
How long will it take?
It will take about 20 minutes.
That's perfect. I have some time today.
Great. Please relax and make yourself comfortable.
Your salon is very clean and beautiful.
Thank you very much. We try to keep it nice for our customers.
How much does a manicure cost?
It costs $15.
That's a good price.
Thank you. I will start your manicure now.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.